Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm gonna do unboxing of DTwatch. Now the design of this watch is inspired by OnePlus, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So inside the box we get one blue strap and the other one is brown leather strap. So if you order this in black color, you will get a black strap, and we have a charging dock as you can see. So let me peel the plastic off. And the design is very similar, but the front is different because we have a blue bezel, blue and white bezel that has dial on it. So let me turn this on, and now it's booting. And the display we have here is Amoled display. Looks very good in my opinion. The quality is very sharp as you can see, and it is also very smooth compared to other round watches. So let me just quickly show you this watch face. See, the animation is very smooth, and let me just quickly, the display guys, the display quality is really good. Let's switch the watch face to this one. This one looks very good. I don't know what it is, but the sharpness of this watch is amazing guys. So if we swipe from the top, you get a quick settings toggle, and you can also change the user interface UI effect. It also has always on display, which I'm going to show you in a full review. So stay tuned for that, and subscribe to my channel. We have music mode as well, vibration strength. You can change the vibration strength, and you can connect it to your PC via USB mode, so you can install music. You can also add different applications to the shortcut. So here is the option to add modules, and here are the options that you can select. So if we swipe from the bottom, we have notifications, and if we swipe from the right, we have activity, heart rate application. So it's currently measuring. As you can see, failed, you have to wear the watch. So the heart rate sensor is working good, and we have weather application, mobile music application. You can also connect your TWS earbuds. So let me just quickly show you the menus that we have. So here is our list menu, another one. I really like the list view menu in round watches. It's very easier to navigate. So the smoothness guys, as you can see, it is very smooth compared to other round watches. The animations looks very smooth, and the display color also is looking very good. On the right hand side we have two buttons actually. One is for power button, and the other one is to go back. So yeah, looks very good guys. Here is the model number. And let me just quickly show you other UI effect. So this is the rotate one, also looks very good. I really like the smoothness guys. In this price range, it is very smooth compared to other round watches. So we actually have a lot of applications. Let me just quickly show you: heart rate, sleep tracking, blood oxygen, weather application, AI voice. So after you connect to your mobile, you can use this application. Let me just quickly show you calculator, and the touch screen is also very responsive. And we have recorder, we have game. I'm going to show you in the future video, in the full review, hopefully. So let me just quickly show you the sports animation. It is very simple and looks very good actually. So let me just quickly put the strap, and let's see the wrist to wake feature. And the wrist to wake feature is working really good guys. I have no issues. And yeah, if you want to buy this, link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing. And if you like this video, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.